Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock WhatsApp on iPhone. If you're using any WhatsApp and you want to lock your WhatsApp on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply go to your WhatsApp settings here. Just go to settings and the bottom right and just select privacy option from here, and here just scroll down and you'll get the app lock option. Just select that option and here you'll get the option of require Face ID. If you have Touch ID, so you'll get the option of require Touch ID. Or if you haven't anyone, so you might get the required passcode option here. So you must have to enable that. And once you have enabled, you have to select which time you want to enable your Face ID. So let's cancel immediately. So just close WhatsApp. Now reopen it, and here you can see that WhatsApp is locked, and you have to try to unlock it using your Face ID, and here it's worked. So you just have to go back, close this, just keep a long press on your WhatsApp app, and you will see this option right here. Just select required Face ID and verify your Face ID from required Face ID option, and your WhatsApp app will be locked. Or if you're facing any issue that you haven't any feature like that for your Face ID has been enabled, but you still don't have any feature, you just have to go to your settings app, just scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. Just enter your iPhone passcode. Now, just select other apps. You have to make sure that you have set it up your Face ID. Then select other apps from here, and you have to enable the toggle and in front of the WhatsApp apps. So once you have enabled this toggles for your WhatsApp app, your Face ID will be enabled for your WhatsApp, and you can easily use this feature. So in this way, you can easily lock your WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.